Hi kids! Welcome back to Moony! Today we're going to learn all about airplanes with our airport playset. Are you excited?
Yes!
Let's get into it! Been on an airplane before? I remember the first time I went on an airplane, I was so nervous. As we were taking off, I got all those butterflies in my stomach, and then you hit a certain level of elevation and it's peaceful. You just look at all of the clouds out the window.
Wow!
What's the longest flight you've ever been on? The longest flight I've ever been on was 16 hours long.
Wow!
Whoa, that's more than half a day. When we landed the plane, it was a little shaky at first, but good news is we made it. Did you know that this right here is a traffic tower? This signals to the plane while it's in the sky that it's okay to land. Once the plane lands, we have to unload all the baggage and cargo. After that, it's time for the passengers to exit and go to the airport to pick up their luggage. After all of our passengers have exited, it's time for the plane to prepare for its next flight. The first thing it has to do is get fueled up. While that's happening, the flight attendants are cleaning the plane for the next round of passengers. All right, all ready.
Yay!
Fun. And don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.